Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. I'm super excited. I have a giveaway for you guys. Stay tuned. So first off, guys, we hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm super happy for this, guys, and I really appreciate you guys for subbing to my channel and helping me put out these videos. Because if you guys aren't watching, I wouldn't have the drive to do it. So I appreciate that. So I'm going to give you something. Now, if you've ever watched my videos, you know one of the things that I use the most, and I tell you guys that I love the most, is this T-handle. This is a Snap-on T-handle screwdriver, okay? This thing is incredible when you're doing carburetors. I do a lot of carburetor rebuilds. I do tons of them. This thing helps out a lot because you can push down and you can grab it and you can get a good twist on it with some good leverage. Now, I want to tell you guys, I went out and bought this tool for you because I want to give back to you. This is not donated in any way. I bought it. So what I got for you guys here is a brand new one, okay? This is brand new. Now, Williams makes these for Snap-on. This is a Williams, straight from the manufacturer that makes them for Snap-on. It's exactly the same thing. They're pretty awesome. It has a regular number 2 tip on there. I use a Snap-on, it's called a Torx Drive, I think is what they call their number 2 bits. And this looks like a regular number, hang on. Oh, I think this is the bit too. So this has the little teeth on it, number 2. That's awesome. So I just recognize that now. So guys, listen, I'm going to give this away, but what I need you to do in order to enter this, okay, it's free of course, is all I want you to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for further notifications when my videos come out, and I need you to comment in the comment section. So go into the comments, I want you to type in the word win. Now, when I check my stuff here, I'm going to do a random picker that picks a random commenter in there. It's got to have the word win in there, and you got to be subscribed. So do me a favor, it'll help this channel grow even more. The more subscribers we have, the more it helps push these videos to the front. I got a bunch of carburetor rebuilds coming up. I got all kinds of stuff in here, man. I'm super excited. I got to get a bigger shop. I'm working on that too, so hopefully that can be in a future video. But for right now, guys, subscribe to this channel, go to the comment section, hit the word win, and you'll be entered into winning this screwdriver. These things are from Snap-on. You buy them, I think they're like 80 bucks or something. They're pretty awesome, but I couldn't do without it. I've had that same one that I just showed you for probably 20 years now, and it's been good to me. It hasn't broke or anything, hasn't had any issues with it. I just replace the tip every once in a while. So guys, get in that comment section, hit the word win, smash that subscribe button, and this thing is coming to you. I'm going to let this run for I'll let it run for, I don't know, 2 weeks. All right, so 2 weeks of this video going up, and I will pick a winner, and then it'll be coming to you. All right, guys, thank you again from my heart for subscribing to my channel and helping this channel grow. Until next time, guys. It's Tepco Cycle Repair.